performing the experiments available in this very set, students will be learned how to apply the equation of equilibrium on a rigid body, both force and torque conditions. And throughout the experiments, students will directly verify their estimation results by measuring the forces afterward. About the experiment F26 part, in order to acquire a better understanding of its real-life application, mechanical advantage of a pulley system with plenty of different configurations can be estimated theoretically and also verified experimentally. And with all this said, let's get started. The flexibility is the plus of this set, as both the mount and the angle of the applying forces can be adjusted easily.